see my mom making ham for the first time. So she's just adding the cherries and the pineapples. She already, I think she boiled the ham already. Me no know not boil ham. Yeah, she boiled the ham already, and that those cherry guys is Jamaican cherry, local cherries. Yes, so you have to make your Ananton fashion or whatever that is. And yeah, that's her in the background. She's excited about her ham right now because she take it out and I slice it while I'm recording and editing this video. So yeah, so we just added some of the dressing on top, and after moving it from the oven for the first 15 minutes, I went ahead and add some more dressing or whatever you call it, guys. I'm not a ham expert, and guys, comment below and let me know how she did, or if you think she did a good job, just smash that like button to show some love. And those things that you're seeing there in between the ham, those are cloves. So it's looking absolutely amazing. Super impressed with how it came out, and I was testing it and it was so tender, guys. Look at that. I hope you guys enjoy.
Wow,